Okay, so hello everybody.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Who is this?
Good evening, sir. Yeah,
Just
this is Sonia.
listen. Don't please mute yourself and whatever you have to say it on chat. Okay, please mute
Okay.
yourself. Otherwise, we will not get the bandwidth. Numbers are increasing, right? The more we are, the less the bandwidth. Okay, so let me start. So let me welcome you all. This is the first webinar we are doing for you students, and the urgency of doing this was that we have changed, IGNOU has changed the guidelines for field work, and I will tell you step by step what the new guidelines are. From 14th May onwards, there is the old guidelines which you had in MSW 13 book and for MSWC, they are no more operational. Okay, so there is a new set of guidelines which you have to follow, and I will take you through these slides. Okay, please write in chat, okay, whatever your queries are, so I'll be able to then answer. Okay, so now I will uh, so I'm starting down. Okay, uh, for last few months you must have been seeing all these pictures, which is something new for all of you, and as well as for me. These pictures represent what in what condition we are, right? यहाँ पे you can see words like red zone, restricted entries and movements, quarantine notices, masks, lot of migrants on the streets. Again and again, messages are thrown to you not to go out. Now, in this era or this time, you cannot go out, but we have to continue with our field work somehow. Now, COVID era field work, बोलता हूँ मैं इसको. So the major challenge जो हमारे पास था इस period में वो ये था कि how do we go and visit individuals, groups, communities for completing our fieldwork. So after much deliberation, the IGNOU School of Social Work has redesigned the strategies to enable you to do this exercise, academic exercise, with the support of digital medium like telephone, mobile, email, WhatsApp, etc. And these proposed guidelines, this is very important, ये ध्यान दीजिएगा कि these proposed guidelines are only for those who are intending to submit their practicum project report for the June 2020 and December 2020 exam cycles. Okay, so anybody who is starting his fieldwork now, or may want to start it 15 days later, okay, before these guidelines are only up to December 2020. After these, we will go back to the old guidelines. Okay, or in order to complete this task, you are directed to be in constant touch with your supervisor and the coordinator at the study center if he is available, right? And you are expected to complete the task keeping in mind the following. सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि you have to be in regular touch with your fieldwork supervisor guide assigned to you from your study center. ठीक है, आपको अपने सुपरवाइजर से, अगर मैं हूं तो मुझसे, वर्षा जी है तो वर्षा जी से कंटिन्यूअसली जब भी आप आगे से काम करना है तो टच में रहना है, वेदर थ्रू वेबिनार और थ्रू एनी मींस. ओके, और जो सुपरवाइजर असाइंड है आपको, उसके साथ आपको काम करना है. और अगर आपके पास अभी तक सुपरवाइजर नहीं है, वैसे तो हमने वी हैव असाइंड सुपरवाइजर्स टू ऑल, आई नो बिकॉज आई डिड दैट एक्सरसाइज. तो अगर किसी के पास अभी भी नहीं है तो यू शुड आस्क योर कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ द स्टडी सेंटर, राइट टू हिम टू गिव यू वन. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू टेक गाइडेंस एंड अप्रूवल जैसे पहले होता था फ्रॉम योर fieldwork supervisor before launching on these new tasks. Write the report in the fieldwork journal. Many students have been asking me where to write them. Okay, you have to write them in the journal itself, what journal you have. If you haven't received copy of the journal, अगर आपको अभी तक जर्नल नहीं मिले हैं तो प्लीज ई-ज्ञान कोश से, मोबाइल ऐप से उसको डाउनलोड करिए और उसमें लिखिए. जिन लोगों ने MSWP 001 ऑप्ट किया है उसके लिए मैं अलग से, अगर वैसे है नहीं हमारे पास कोई, आई नो इन माय ग्रुप nobody has opted for MSWP 001, तो इसलिए मैं इसको छोड़ देता हूं अभी. Right now, rest of the guidelines are same के जो fieldwork assigned will, the grades and markings जो हैं it will be done by the supervisor and sent to the regional director, and then concerned regional director is forwarded to registrar SED, so on and so forth. और MSWP 001 की जो dissertations हैं वो भी through supervisors जो हैं सॉफ्ट कॉपीज के अंदर वो रीजनल सेंटर को जाएंगे, लेकिन हमारे पास MSWP 001 का कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं है. काइंडली इंश्योर दैट यू कीप अ कॉपी ऑफ योर जर्नल प्रोजेक्ट until your results are declared. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. ये whatever opportunity you have, it's a very good opportunity for you to complete your field work, right? Because you are sitting home and you can do a lot of work sitting in the home and finish your field work. Especially the students who are working, who keep asking me कि हम कैसे complete करेंगे, 45 days कैसे complete होंगे, किस तरह से हम करेंगे, उनके लिए ये एक boon है. So they should focus on their work now, because as far as my information goes, this lockdown and things like that are not going to be open soon. It will take time, right? तो सबसे पहले we will look at MSW students, and you have the journal called MSW L001. ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो जनवरी 2019 से पहले एडमिट हुए थे, और जो MSW L013 है ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो जनवरी 2019 के बाद आए थे, राइट? सो इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। इस ग्रुप में, जिस ग्रुप में आप हैं, इसमें पिछले ईयर्स के स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं। वी हैव इनवाइटेड देम एंड दे आर देयर इन द मीटिंग। ओके, सो इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू both the students, January 2019 and afterwards, and before January 19. Okay, so there are two kind of journals, MSW L001, MSW L013. अब फोकस ये करना है कि फील्ड वर्क में आपको करना क्या है। नाउ अगर आप देखेंगे इसके अंदर, तो आपको डॉक्यूमेंट करना है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड-19। जो आपके आसपास लोग हैं, आपकी कॉलोनी में, आपके इलाके में, उनके बारे में आपने इंफॉर्मेशन, इम्पैक्ट, उनके ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ है कोविड-19 का। जो मैंने आपको पहले पिक्चर्स दिखाई थी, कुछ इस तरह का इम्पैक्ट था, इस तरह का इम्पैक्ट था। कहीं रेड जोन था, कहीं मास्क लगे हुए थे, कुछ लोग चल रहे हैं। यहाँ पे कुछ हमने देखा कि कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप को भी हाईलाइट करने की कोशिश की गई, एंड लोग बहुत रिलीफ वर्क चल रहा है, एंड कंटिन्यूस मैसेजेस, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, राइट? तो इस तरह के कुछ इम्पैक्ट्स थे हमारी लाइफ के ऊपर। वी वर ऑल इनसाइड आवर हाउसेस। सो व्हाट हियर यू हैव टू डू इज, इस इम्पैक्ट को आप एल्डरली पे, चिल्ड्रन पे, वुमेन पे, क्रिटिकली इल पेशेंट्स पे, माइग्रेंट पॉपुलेशन पे स्टडी कर सकते हैं। और उसके लिए आप, यू कैन यूज न्यूज़पेपर्स, ऑनलाइन न्यूज़ बुलेटिन्स, एंड ऑल्सो ऑनलाइन डेटा आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। अगर आपके पास उस तरह की फैसिलिटीज हैं, देन यू कैन डू इट। ओके, नाउ
Yes.
चल रही है यहाँ पे। देन दूसरा जो इसमें असाइनमेंट है वो है हाउ टू बिल्ड बैक लाइफ इन अ बेटर वे पोस्ट कोविड फॉर वेरियस वल्नरेबल पॉपुलेशंस। यू कैन सजेस्ट वेज एज सोशल वर्कर। ओके, तो अब ये जितनी भी पॉपुलेशंस आपके वल्नरेबल ग्रुप ऊपर लिखे हुए हैं, एल्डरली, चिल्ड्रन, वुमेन, मैं ज्यादा कोविड में नहीं जा रहा हूँ। आई बिलीव आप बहुत टेलीविजन पे देख रहे हैं, and you are well aware, you should be as a social work student. So ये जितना भी आपको काम करना है, MSW जो concurrent field work है, this has to be on these populations using newspapers, online news bulletins and so on and so forth. अगर आप ऑनलाइन डेटा कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, you are free. Okay, for that you discuss. और जो जिन्होंने MSW 13 कंप्लीट कर लिया है अपना, या हाफ वे हैं, you know, some students may have done half of the work. You know, I have received some queries, okay, I have done 5 days work, what should I do? So stop where you have done your work. Okay, if you want to finish your work by December 2020, you understand what I'm saying? If you want to end your work by and submit by December 2020, you have to follow these guidelines. Okay, after 2020 guidelines, when and they will change, we will let you know. Done? So you have to decide if you are doing it, you want to submit it by December, you have to do under these guidelines. Okay, if you have done 15 days and you don't want to follow these guidelines, then you have to wait till December end. Okay, when the new guidelines, then these guidelines will probably go, and then old guidelines will start. Then you have to start working on those guidelines, right? So whatever is there in the old guidelines, like pre-test, like uh, orientation visits, like concurrent fieldwork, like individual conferences, right? That is all not applicable till December 2020. Clear हो गया है? Now I will go to those who have completed concurrent fieldwork by now, but I think many students
सर एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
January from July 19 may not have completed, right? But January 19 students may have done MSWL 013, okay? And if they want to start MSWL 14, that is your block placement, then you can take up the assignment given below, the document to document the impact of COVID-19 on the life of students. These students can be school going or college going or distance learners like you. It could be based on telephonic survey, online data collection, etc. You can browse internet, read newspaper articles to substantiate your survey, right? Or you can document the impact of COVID-19 lockdown on families in the same way, like either on online data collection or through telephonic survey, or by browsing internet, or by reading some stories or blogs on, you know, put it all together. So I stop here and I will look at the chat section, what you have raised, and if you have raised any issue, then I will go back to the second year students. Okay. Just a minute. Give me a minute. I'm going through the chat and I will read one by one what people have written, and I will try, and this is only for the first years, right? Any questions which pertain to second year students, I will not take right now. I will take later once I have completed second year. So here we have Ankit Borwal, then we have Sonam Rani, we have Antara Mukherjee, we have Sonam Rani again. Redmi no voice, so please unmute. I am unmuted, boss. Hello. Yashika is saying no voice. Are you getting my voice? Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. No problem. I'm looking at the responses. Okay. You're still not being able to hear me. Most of the people, some of the people are having problem, you know, hearing me. But majority of students can hear me. I am again doing one thing. Okay. You have to raise your voice, raise your hand in the reaction section. Those who were not been able to hear me, are they hearing me now? Hello.
Yes, sir, we are hearing.
Everything is clear now? No problem, because I was looking
Yes,
at the
sir.
chat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
clear,
you are
sir.
audible now.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So unmute.
Yes,
so mute
sir.
yourself. So mute yourself again. I will go back. Okay. I will go back again and I will start again quickly. Okay. Quickly.
So please check my message in group.
Message, I will take questions later, boss. Just wait.
Okay.
Okay. I will take your questions. I'm reading your questions, right? So I'm reading your questions. Somebody from Samsung Galaxy saying you, yes sir, you are not audible. Please check your this thing, just your settings, because most of the students are listening to me clearly. Okay. There are not many questions right now, but I think I will take them up after. I will once again tell you how it is quickly, and then I will go to the second year students. Okay. So I was here. So the new as per the new assignment, as per the new guidelines, you have to document the impact of COVID-19 on various aspects of people's lives. That is the vulnerable populations like elderly, children, women, critically ill patients, migrant population, and this can be done through the newspapers, online news bulletins, or you can use even online data collection if you need be, right? And for the block placement of this year, you have to do a study of or document the impact of on the lives of students. This can be school going students, colleges, and distance learners, right? For the 14, you can do one of these, or document the impact of COVID-19 on the lockdown, on the impact of COVID-19 lockdown on families, right? So this is uh, for first year students. Okay. So if you want to finish and you are submitting your work by December 2020, I'm repeating again, please follow these guidelines. Okay. If you want to complete your work after December 2020, then situation would be again back to the normal, what you were doing, right? So choice is with you, which guidelines you want to follow. I will accept journals, completed journals, only on these guidelines for this period, from June onwards to December, right? After December, we will revise, we will see, we will review what guidelines exist. Clear ho gaya? Now I will take MSW second year students for MSW L02002 and MSW L015. Okay. People who are doing their concurrent field work, they have to review 2 articles on online education. Google it. Just go to the Google, find out about what is online education, download 2 papers or articles, and explain the role of online education in COVID-19 epidemic times. There has been a lot of debate which is going on in this country about online education. Okay. Even in the schools, online education is going on. There are classes being held, right? So there is a lot of debate going on in NCRT and at all levels, even worldwide. Or you can document the psychosocial impact of COVID-19 on the life of people. You can do a telephonic or online survey, or browse internet, or read articles. Or you can, out of these 3, you can do any one. Document the role of professional social workers amidst the pandemic affected nations. This also you can look at WA sites, and there are so many sites of social work which are discussing these issues. What is the role of professional social workers during this pandemic and how social workers are responding? Okay, education wise, in education sector as well as in the practicum we cannot do because all the agencies are closed. We cannot go out, right? So they are trying to address things through online mode. And those who are doing MSW 16, that is the internship, they have to write case studies on the migrant situation in the country. There is a lot of material on the television, in the newspapers on the migrant crisis, humanitarian crisis which has emerged in our country, and those people have to write the case studies. Case studies means you have to pick up, there are case studies like you must have seen that there was a girl who died. She was walking from Jharkhand to Jharkhand from Karnataka, and just 190 kilometers from her house, after walking 1200 kilometers, she died. So that becomes a case study, and a lot of literature is available on that girl. Likewise, a lot of literature, if you go and search and look at the newspapers, you will find a lot of case studies there. Okay, so you have to study those case studies and write about them. Okay, or you can write about the support services organized by individuals, groups, and communities in your area for helping people in need. Now, I have seen some of you have been doing work during the food distribution, mask distribution, sanitization distribution, and whatnot, right? So if you have been part of these kind of activities, you can do it, but only for MSW 016, right? Do not write it for this assignment for MSW L015 or 014 or 013, right? So each of these assignments is specific to that group, like MSW L016. So there are three things you have to do, one out of these three. Okay, or document the coping strategies adopted by people in your area. So you can, do a telephonic chat with people in your area, collect information from them, what are their coping strategies, right? There are a lot of talks going on. People are making TikTok. People are doing a lot of, browsing. People are doing a lot of WhatsApp. People are doing a lot of work on computer. So this is their way of tackling the issues, which the issue they are facing. So you have to collect all this, right? So MSW is over from my side. Right? Right. Now I am going to MSW counseling. Okay. So there would be students in this group who are doing MSW counseling also, because we have a combined group. हमारे पास combined group है. Okay. I will see. Those who have raised hands, please wait. I will come back to you. Concurrent MSWL 046 is the first book, first journal you have to do for MSW counseling. Project assignment, impact of COVID-19. First assignment is impact of COVID-19 lockdown on the households in your locality. The major components of the project could be prepare questionnaire to collect various psychosocial economic factors, size of sample minimum 10, maximum 30 households. Method of data collection, collect data through online, telephone, email, or WhatsApp. Okay. Record the problems, psychological, economic, social factors due to lockdown effect on the households in your locality. Analyze the problems and identify the possible intervention through counseling. Last one is very important. For the first year students who wants to complete, who want to do their block placement, identify any one of the COVID warrior families like nurses, doctors, paramedical staff, police personnel, government official who are working during lockdown period or housekeeping personnel, etc. And list out the support and care extended by the families, or list out the support and care extended by the family to the COVID-19 warriors, what help they are getting from their families. List out the problems and challenges faced by families of COVID-19 warriors, and it could be based on telephonic survey, online data collection. You can also browse internet, read newspaper, articles, etc. to substantiate your survey. Okay, so this is a survey of those who are working during the COVID-19 epidemic. These are nurses, doctors, paramedical staff, police personnel, government officials, and so on and so forth. If you know one of these, you can look at that. Okay. Then we have MSW 048, that is concurrent fieldwork for second year. Here you have to make, likewise earlier also you have to make case studies for MSWL 048, detailed case study of children adolescent aged during lockdown period, and telephonic or online counseling, through telephonic or online counseling, online interaction, right? Sorry. And MSW 049 internship, write in detail about the advantages and disadvantages of tele-counseling based on telephonic / online interaction with counselors who are practicing tele-counseling. Okay, so now these are the major assignments which you are expected to do. Now I will take I will look at what questions have come. Just a minute. That's it. So there were some reactions. Let me see who has reacted and what they want. Okay. Let's see chat 18. I am taking questions, right? The last one I will take from the last question, and then I will go to the first one, right? Just a minute, let me check it. Parveen Yadav is asking me, sir, the task you have given, how can we divide it into 30? See, it is not about 30 days or 45 days now. Okay, the task, you have to complete the task. The guidelines does not tell you do it in 25 days or 30 days or 25 days or 10 days or 1 day. Okay, the task which has been given is already, it is going to take 30 to 45 days of yours if you will start doing it. Okay, so is this clear? I'm going to the next question. It is by Ramu from January 19 batch. Can I prepare the fieldwork general on COVID-19 topic? Ramu, I have already told the kind of assignments you can take. Okay, and for which journal you have to do which assignments, and all of you have the guidelines right now, right? So you have to pick up one of those assignments and complete it. You cannot do it on COVID-19, okay, topic. You have to do it as per the guidelines. Just a minute. Then what is last date? I told you, there is no last date. If you want to submit your fieldwork, Badal, if you want to submit your fieldwork by December 2020, follow these guidelines. If you want to do it after that, it's your choice. Okay. Praveen Yadav is asking me field work और block placement में क्या difference है? Earlier there was a difference. Okay, difference was that one was for the period of 45 days, 45 दिन का काम था, and दूसरे में 30 days का काम था. So that was the only difference. So if you look at the assignments in the concurrent field work, oh, hello, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible.
There was
sir.
some problem. There was some
Yes, sir.
Zoom is having some glitch. Okay. So just a minute. I have started 11. Have entered the waiting room. See, what I will do is I will hold another meeting maybe tomorrow. Okay, I will fix it up and I will take it from there again. In the meantime, what you can do is you can just write your questions very clearly and send it to send it in the group, whatever groups you are. Okay. For the time being, I have Aishwarya asking me, sir, can we unmute us? Can we unmute and ask question? Yeah, I have some time left, so you can ask. Who is this? Aishwarya, come.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually I wanted to ask, जो आपने अभी हमें टास्क दिए हैं फील्ड वर्क के, तो जर्नल में हमारे पास 45 और 30 डेज का फॉर्मेट दिया, तो हाउ कम वी विल
No problem. Just
जस्टिफाई?
write straight. Just write straight. There is no 1, 2, 3 days in this. Okay.
अब we have to write about COVID only, that you said, the things you
Only
have
these
just given us.
assignments. Only these assignments. If you want to submit it by December 2020. Is that clear?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. तो do we have to maintain any pages या कुछ ऐसा, या जैसा
No.
हमें सही लग रहा है वैसे?
No, nothing. You have to. That we will discuss. Who is your supervisor?
वर्षा मैम.
Okay. So what we will do is, this webinar she has organized. She asked me to do it.
Okay.
So we will be in touch with you, and we will hold
Okay.
more personal webinars. Okay, to help you do this
Thank
work.
you, sir.
This is
Also-
simple. This is simpler than what you are doing.
Thank you so
otherwise.
much.
So do it
Okay.
as fast as possible. Okay.
Yeah. And sir, one more thing, हमें registration slip के लिए बोला हुआ है, वो हमारे पास I don't think we have.
What
We
is
have to
regis-
submit it.
What is the registration slip? I
सर
don't
वो
know.
असाइनमेंट के साथ में भेजने को बोली है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट कि क्या भेजना है.
No, I am not aware about this. Okay, please only ask
Okay.
me academic questions. Okay, I
Thank you.
cannot answer your administrative questions. वो आप RC तो बंद है अभी, वो आप जो है अभी भेज दो, ठीक है, जो भी आपके पास है बाद में देख लेंगे हम. ओके, आप अपना असाइनमेंट भेज दो, एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिख के.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so don't bother about all these things, small things. Then Praveen Yadav is asking, sir, MSW 15 and 16 e-content से download कर सकते हैं? Yes, you can. Both. This is not MSW 15. This is MSW L015 and MSW L016, right, Praveen? So you can download. Krish is asking me, there is some guideline mentioned. Just a minute. Krish is asking, there is some guidelines mentioned at the end. Is it applicable to our MSWP? Do we need to complete both assignments mentioned in bullet points in MSW 13, or we need to choose any one? See, you have asked me two questions. One is about MSWP 001. I don't think we have any student who has opted for MSW Krish. I'm answering to Krish, right? So MSW P1, we don't have any student. So you don't have to follow those. Okay. And as far as the MSW 13 is concerned, you have to read the document, okay, for MSW 13 and take up one of those assignments. Okay, you have to choose one, not all from those assignments. What do you mean by copy paste, Badal? What do you mean by copy paste, Badal? Hello? Who is Badal online? Hello? Anyway, Badal is not here. I am taking the next question. Somebody, I don't know the name of this. Somebody is asking, sir, can we start MSW 002 के बारे में कुछ बताओ sir. I've already told you what you need to do in MSW 002. Okay, L002. So follow that and keep in touch. We will take it further. Yes, Praveen Yadav, yes, we can do. That's what the guidelines are all about. Somebody is asking me from NU that I should take MSW syllabus also. I will think about it. Thank you very much. Samaj Kalyan Prashashan. There is no, in present guidelines mein, we don't have to do any Samaj Kalyan Prashashan. Okay? You have to only do these. Manish Parmar is asking, do we have to write about orientation visits, individual conference, etc.? Not during this time. If you are completing it before December. Okay? You can write about the individual conferences, but orientation visits, maybe you can write this meeting, web meeting. Okay? There is no problem. Who else? Okay, I think I have done all the questions. Wait for our next webinar. Okay, we will inform you. I will let you know on the group. Krish is asking, suppose I complete MSW 13 and 14 by September, October. So can I start the MSW 15 and 16 and finish it before December 2020? You can do whatever you feel like, but you will not be able to do it. Let me tell you, it's impossible. Okay, Krish. And somebody is asking me, sir, can we start our report from last week of March? I don't know what is the meaning of this question. Because lockdown started sometimes in March, you can always do it. Okay. Who is Pritesh Singh? You can unmute and ask me for a question because I'm not been able to see.
गुड इवनिंग सर, मैं प्रीतेश कुमार बोल रहा हूँ, एमएसडब्ल्यू सेकंड ईयर स्टूडेंट। और मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर के दोनों ही यानी कि ब्लॉक प्लेसमेंट और कंकरेंट फील्ड विजिट मेरा हो चुका है, लेकिन सबमिट नहीं हुआ। लेकिन जो एमएसडब्ल्यू सेकंड ईयर के जो नए गाइडलाइंस आई है वो मुझे फॉलो करना है ना। उसमें टाइमलाइन का कोई सिस्टम आपने नहीं बताया, क्योंकि टाइमलाइन कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है, हम उसको कर सकते हैं।
No, there is no timeline. You have to complete this. Okay. This is a project. Okay. We have converted it into a project. So you have to give a project report. You understand?
Okay, सर उसके अंदर बिल्कुल सर। और केस स्टडी में एक चीज था कि उसमें हम लोग चिल्ड्रन, एडोलसेंट और एजेड के ऊपर करना था 5 केस। तो क्या सबके 5-5 अलग-अलग करने हैं?
No, only 5. No, you have to pick up one population and 5 cases.
Okay.
If you are doing it, suppose on students.
Understand.
Okay, students. So you can take 5 students. Okay, like that. If you are doing on some other migrant population, then 5. Whatever is given there. Okay.
Okay. ठीक है सर। और उसमें जो लास्ट में हमें सब कुछ सारी डिटेल्स जो है क्या वो ऑनलाइन डेटा और पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के थ्रू ही करना पड़ेगा?
जी, because you are
है ना?
not allowed to go out of your home for a long time. So how will you? You are losing out on your time, right? That's why the guidelines have been changed.
Definitely.
Okay.
जी जी.
Then
Thank you,
we
sir.
have
Thank you so much.
Praveen Yadav. Yes, Praveen Yadav is saying कि ये हमारी help के लिए. Yes, definitely, it is for your help only that IGNOU has changed the guidelines. Manish Parmar is saying about the submission. Let me make it clear to all of you who are present here that submissions will only take place after the university will open. So far, the university has not indicated when they will open. University कब खुलेगी हमें नहीं पता है, लेकिन हमें ये पता है कि 15 जुलाई के आसपास यूनिवर्सिटी खुलने के चांसेस हैं. पहले यूनिवर्सिटी खुलेगी, रीजनल सेंटर खुलेगा, उसके बाद ही LSC जो है, जो लर्निंग सेंटर है, उसको खुलने की परमिशन होगी विद ऑल सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस. तो वो अभी हमारे पास कोई गाइडलाइन नहीं है. जैसे जब आएगी मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताऊंगा कि जर्नल कब सबमिट करना है. लेकिन अपने जो भी टीचर हैं जिसके अंडर आपने किया है उनसे वेरीफाई जरूर करवा लीजिए इस पीरियड के अंदर, क्योंकि दिल्ली में अब आप थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, तो उनसे टच में आके उस कंप्लीट करवा के अपना वेरीफाई जरूर करवा लें. ठीक है. मनीष इज शो मी रिएक्शन. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? Okay. Now, next one is Aishwarya. You may, Aishwarya is asking me, can we put screenshots or images of our online conversation? Well, that's up to you. Nobody forces you to do that because we want project report. The way you want, you can develop it. Aishwarya, have you understood? Manish is saying, you are my supervisor. Okay, fine, Manish. I'll get back to you. Aishwarya is again asking me, shall I unmute myself? Aishwarya, you have asked this question? Hello? Hello, is Aishwarya there? Seema Sahu. So what question you have? Have you asked your question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You're clear? Okay, fine. So I think I have addressed
Yes,
most
sir.
of the
I'm
questions.
clear.
Okay. So most of the questions I have taken, what I have got here. I will do another one soon. Okay, within this week. This is this meeting you can write down. This meeting you can write down in your journal as orientation to new guidelines. Okay, all of you, as orientation visit, or not orientation visit, as what do you call induction meeting. Okay, so I think we say goodbye now, and I will update you for the next meeting, and we will discuss any other details on the group. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.